Hi guys, I need to show you in this video how to protect the flooring. You can see that's cardboard with tape all the way, and if there's an opening, that will be like car maintenance, for here and there. And you can see how we cover it with the plastic, and install a piece of wood, okay, to protect it. And we started to paint. That's first prime coat. You can see that is floor cover here, concrete cure. Here we started paint, prime coat, paint ceiling. Okay guys, okay, here that's the bathroom, that's the fan, okay, toilet and sink will be, okay, you can see that's the wood frame, that's the door. Here you have metal frame, metal window, okay, another thing, metal. And here you can see same thing, paint, drywall work, yeah, ceiling, that's big size 4x8 ceiling, okay, over there painted, heaters. Here you can see a masonry lintel, okay, masonry lintel at the top 2x4, okay, concrete floor. Here that's place for car maintenance, okay, electrical work, that's electrical panel, okay, paint. You can see here they painted the bricks, okay, same thing here, different colors. Here you can see, okay, painted all that. You can see here, protect the wall when we paint it, keep it red, okay. Over there that's concrete, that's for dumpster. Here working to pave concrete parking lots. You can see wire mesh, curb, and here we installed the stainless steel for the dumpster, concrete pad with the slope. Okay, that's the curb all the way around. Okay, curb work. Okay, you can see the slope down to the catch basin. Okay, here same thing, curb. So we will pour the curb with the slab, same time. You can see curb with the slope. Good work. Okay guys, wire mesh over here and there. Yes, steel bollard. You can see steel bollard. They are all same height, same elevation, full with concrete. That is 4 inches steel bollard. Some project it's called for 6 inches. Yeah, okay. Almost done, good to go. A lot of stuff for car maintenance. Okay guys, yeah, the heater, ceiling. Here you can see ceiling, use the 4x8 plywood, okay, and then with the wood stripe, and then painted white. Okay, that's 4x8 plywood. Okay, you can see the holes. Okay, here same thing, you have curb. That's sample for concrete test. You have curb over there for drain, foundation drain, pipes, curb. Here you can see the curb with a radius, like 5-foot radius, curb all the way around. That's the plywood that we use for roofing. Yeah, you can see here the The steel, you can see it is almost a flash. Yeah, steel bollard, the flash it. Sometimes we move it 1 inch this way, 1 inch this way, but here we flash it with the opening. That's a good work. Okay, that's the brick here. That's the concrete for the entrance. Okay, here you can see framing and blocking. You can see insulation, 2x12 framing. Okay, here the block, you can see that's bond beam, 2 bond beam. Okay, here you have 1 bond beam, that's one bond beam, and then bricks. You can see blocking for roofing. Okay, soffit panel. So guys, if you're interested in construction field, please like and subscribe. I will upload more videos. Thank you guys, please subscribe. Bye.